In this video, we delve into the top 5 security practices for Aiohttp API development. By the end, you'll know how to safeguard your applications against common vulnerabilities like a pro. Did you know that over 80% of internet traffic is API-based? As cyber threats continue to grow, securing your APIs has never been more critical. Welcome to our video on the top 5 Aiohttp API security best practices explained. In today's digital world, APIs serve as the backbone for countless applications. However, they are also prime targets for cyber attacks. In this video, we'll explore 5 essential security measures you need to implement when developing APIs using Aiohttp. From encryption and authentication to monitoring and updates, by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to protect your applications effectively. Let's start with the first and most foundational step, implementing SSL/TLS. These protocols encrypt data transmitted between your API and clients, ensuring that malicious actors can't intercept sensitive information. Aiohttp, being a versatile framework, easily supports SSL/TLS integration. But why is this so crucial? Simply put, using HTTPS instead of HTTP helps prevent man-in-the-middle attacks. To set up SSL/TLS with Aiohttp, you'll need to acquire an SSL certificate from a trusted certificate authority. Once obtained, you'll configure your Aiohttp server to use this certificate, ensuring all communications are encrypted. Don't forget to test your setup using SSL testing tools to confirm everything is in order. Remember, a secure API starts with encrypting every byte of data that travels over the internet.
Next, we dive into secure authentication using Auth2. This authorization framework is widely adopted for controlling API access in a secure manner. Auth2 allows users to grant limited access to their resources without sharing their credentials, a huge advantage over older methods. Aiohttp can seamlessly integrate with Auth2, providing robust authentication mechanisms. To implement Auth2, you'll need to set up an authorization server and generate access tokens that your API can validate. This ensures only authorized users or applications can access your API endpoints. Regularly testing and updating your Auth2 setup is crucial as threat landscapes and user requirements evolve. By employing Auth2, you not only secure your API but also provide a better user experience with streamlined access control.
One of the most notorious security threats is SQL injection. Attackers exploit vulnerabilities in your API's database interactions to execute unauthorized queries. This can lead to data breaches, data loss, and unauthorized access. Aiohttp developers must be vigilant in preventing such attacks. The best way to defend against SQL injections is by using parameterized queries, which safely separate code from data input. Aiohttp supports secure database query practices, ensuring your API is less susceptible to injection attacks. Regularly testing your API for SQL injection vulnerabilities is crucial, using tools that simulate attack vectors and identify potential weaknesses. By incorporating these practices, you ensure your API's data interactions remain secure and trustworthy. DDoS attacks can bring even the most robust API to its knees by overwhelming it with a flood of requests. To counteract this, implementing rate limiting is essential. Rate limiting restricts the number of API requests a user can make in a given time period, effectively mitigating DDoS threats. Aiohttp provides built-in capabilities to implement rate limiting, allowing you to define rules that suit your application's needs. When designing rate limiting rules, it's important to strike a balance between security and user experience, ensuring legitimate users aren't hindered while blocking malicious traffic. Regular monitoring and adjustment of these rules are necessary to adapt to changing traffic patterns and threat levels. Beyond securing data in transit, encryption plays a vital role in protecting sensitive data at rest. Aiohttp can be configured to support strong encryption standards, ensuring your data remains confidential and secure. Choosing the right encryption algorithms is critical. ICE, Advanced Encryption Standard, is widely regarded as a robust choice. Implementing encryption within Aiohttp involves configuring your server to encrypt sensitive data before storage. It's essential to regularly update encryption protocols to defend against new vulnerabilities and ensure compliance with evolving security standards. By embracing encryption, you safeguard your API's data, maintaining the trust of your users and clients. To effectively secure your APIs, continuous monitoring and logging are indispensable. By keeping a close eye on API traffic, you can quickly identify and respond to suspicious activities. Aiohttp offers robust logging capabilities that allow you to track requests and detect anomalies. When setting up logging, configure your system to identify patterns indicative of potential threats, such as unusual request rates or unauthorized access attempts. Implementing alerts for these patterns ensures your team is immediately notified of potential security breaches. Regularly reviewing logs is crucial for conducting thorough security audits and improving your API's security posture. Finally, let's talk about the importance of regularly updating your dependencies and libraries. Using outdated libraries can introduce security vulnerabilities into your API, making it an easy target for attackers. Aiohttp, like any other framework, relies on various dependencies that must be kept up to date. Automating updates and patches can mitigate the risk of human oversight, ensuring your API benefits from the latest security enhancements. It's crucial to test these updates in a safe environment before applying them to your production API, minimizing the risk of unintended disruptions. Staying informed about security advisories for Aiohttp and its dependencies is essential for proactive security management. In conclusion, securing your APIs with Aiohttp requires a proactive approach, leveraging best practices like SSL/TLS implementation, OAuth2 authentication, SQL injection prevention, rate limiting, and encryption. By regularly monitoring, logging, and updating your dependencies, you create a robust defense against evolving threats. We encourage you to implement these strategies to enhance your API's security posture. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let us know how these practices have impacted your applications. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into API security and development best practices. Together, let's build a safer internet.